Hello, in this video, I will explain you about how we can start with the Adobe Illustrator training uh, from scratch. If you are not familiar with the Adobe Illustrator, you do not have to worry. I will explain you step by step guide from basics to advanced learning for to become the graphic designer as expert. So we will start with the from the new file. First I will go to the first we have to open the Adobe Illustrator. If you have installed, you can click on the Adobe Illustrator icon, and then it will take time. So in this video we will learn about the short keys that we have to need to know which familiarity with the tools, which how the tool is working, and that is the need of scratch from starting to the beginner level. So in the first session we will learn about the uh, short keys. First is the Alt plus Zoom, that is equal to zoom out. I will explain you. Let first it has opened, and we will create a new file. Click on the new file from here also, we can go to from here. Click on the this blue button and click on the any size. I will choose the letter, or you can choose any one of this. I will choose click. You can click on the more, and then we can go to the print, and then we can go to the A4 selection, and we will choose here from the millimeters. Depend upon your choice, you can choose any, and I will choose the orientation, this one, and I will create the file. You can change the name of the file and one. So first command is short key is Alt plus zoom. So you can click on the Alt key, press on the Alt button and on the keyboard, and first we have to click on this icon, search icon, and then we have to, if we press the Alt, it will show us the negative sign, that is indicative we can zoom out. If we if we do not click on the do not press the Alt button, and we click on this white section, it will make it zoom. This is one approach. And in the second one is the we can use the Control plus one for making the screen size 100%. Or you can press the Control plus one on your screen, on your keyboard. Control, press on the Control and one. As here you can see, it has become on the 100% according to the screen size. And if we third command is the Control plus zero file to fit the screen. When we clear, you can see the difference between the Control 1 and Control 0. When I will I first I have pressed the Control plus 1. Now I will press the Control, press on the Control and plus 0. This has become according to the screen size resolution, and that is adjusted to the visibility of the screen. There is some difference between the control 1 and control 0, you have noticed. And one other option to zoom in zoom out is press on the control button and press on the plus icon. Here you can see it will becoming the zoom, and you can see notice here the percentage here will be become the change according to the zoom in zoom out percentage. I will press on the control button and press the negative sign. Here you can see percentage is decreasing also, and it's becoming zoom out. You can choose control plus like this and press control minus like this. Just simple. We can control the zoom in zoom out using the control control. Click on the control and plus button, and click on the control and plus minus button. Control plus control minus, we can switch between them for making the zoom in zoom outs. And other one is using mouse zoom in zoom out. Yes, we can and use alt plus mouse wheel up and down. You can click on the alt button, and you can scroll your mouse wheel or keypad to making it the zoom in zoom out by clicking by pressing the alt button and rolling up the mouse wheel, that is the center of the mouse. That is the for making the roll up and down, or using the keypad we can easily zoom in zoom out according to the section. So we can easily move between the zoom in zoom out also. And our last one is the space bar to move your screen. Yes, when we have to move the screen we will use the we will press only the space bar. Keep holding the press bar space bar, and we can move between any of the section, any area of the file. Here you can see I have pressed this, and it will be moved like this. If we have the content like let me put the text here. First I need to choose the selection tool. And here you can see it has become the zoom. And when I will press the space bar, pressing on the zoom and press on the selection tool, and then we click on press the space bar, and here you can see it will be able to move. We can move like this, pressing on the space bar and moving the mouse like this. Press on the space bar and move your mouse. You can see the magic that is happening. In this tutorial we have learned these short keys for the class 1, and we will be uploading the next video. If we hit like the 5,000 likes, and I will upload definitely upload the second video of this session, so you can easily learn the graphic designing from the basic to the star level, and I will explain to you natively from the beginner to the advanced level. Thank you for watching the my channel, and keep subscribing and share my channel. Thank you.